this is Denise, and right now I'm doing the part 1 of our Fridays with Fustini, even though it's Wednesday. I'm going to do a pork tenderloin, and tonight we're going to grill it. So here's my pork tenderloin, and I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil over it. Then I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper, and we're gonna flip it to do both sides. Salt and pepper, and then we're just going to let that marinate for a couple hours before putting it on the grill. And then for the sauce, what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this pineapple mango habanero jam and kind of melt that down a little bit. And to that, we're going to add some mango balsamic just to create a glaze that's going to go on top of our pork.